Hello, everybody. This will be a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update on April the 24th on this Sunday morning. Right now, we've just been trading in a sideways range for quite a while, ever since the beginning of the year, really. And if we just pull a fixed volume range profile from the beginning of the year, really, ever since this pivot move right here at around January 5th, all the way to the beginning of price action, you can see we've been just kind of hovering around this point of control right here. This is kind of bullish. If we do lose this point of control, I do expect us to bounce down from 38,000 roughly, as usually when price breaks a point of control and doesn't hold that point of control, it does go down towards the valley area low or a little bit lower even. Another thing to look at too is the 786 down here at around 36,000. We could still come down to here and still maintain the higher lows as we put in a higher low at around 33K, another one at around 34K, so we could put another one around 36K. Again, if we do end up losing that even, just zooming out a little bit more, we do have this golden pocket in 786 acting as confluence at around 28.7 to 26.7. Just kind of a large golden pocket that is pulled from March 2020, from those lows down there all the way up to the highs of 69,000 that happened in November. That is a very, very strong support, as it is acting as confluence with the lows back in July of 2021. So it could take out those lows, grab the liquidity, and then we could pump up. Anyways, just looking at some local analysis, I'll go down to the 24-minute, and you can see we've just been trading sideways for the full weekend. There are some single prints right above us at around 40.7 and then 41K too. These do act as resistance. I do expect them to kind of get filled. This one with the 0.5 fib level looks like it could be a possible resistance at 41K. We could just bounce off of that. You could get a quick scalp short, and then we could come lower and then come up into this golden pocket and maybe get a little retracement from there at around 41.6K. Other than that, really, just on the local analysis, we do have this wick from down here from the quick swing down of the lows that happened around last week, and that is coming around at 38,466. And so that's really just the local ranges that I'm really looking at for right now. If we do end up really pumping from here, 44K is a very strong resistance, and so that is just something to be looking at and keep in mind. Looking at market cipher and see what's really going on. Right now we do have a possible daily divergence, bullish divergence happening, as we are getting a higher low and then a lower low coming into that, and momentum's coming up, money flow's coming up, so it looks really good. Plus, Jason Casper would call this an uneven butt cheek, so it could be quite a powerful move on the daily. However, I don't get too excited with daily divergences due to the fact that the 4 and 3 hour, if you've seen my video on the trend reversal, major trend reversal, I do like to see divergences on those. I do get more excited over those. But moving on to Ethereum, again, just been trading sideways. We do have a local golden pocket at around 3080. Just really not much confluence here. If we do end up coming lower, we could grab the liquidity from a wick that occurred last week at around 2,881, and really that is just a local support. Going to the 4 hour and looking to see what's going on there. Again, we could still come down to that 2,700 level and still be making the higher lows. This could be a strong support, as we are getting a trend line confluence and a naked daily point of control, along with the low of the parallel channel that we've been trading in ever since the beginning of the year, really. And so that is just kind of something I am looking at. Again, another major resistance that I'm looking at also is this 3320 or 3,300, as it is a golden pocket and it is the swing highs from right here. So that could be a possible scalp short. Again, if we do break through that, there's really not much resistance here besides maybe the 3,500 region. But other than that, we could still come up to that 3,800 where we do have a major golden pocket, and that would be the major swing short that I would take. Anyways, that is pretty much it for the update today. I probably won't be trading today due to this weekend kind of sideways chop. A lot of traders usually lose money on the weekend. As you can see, it's just been kind of stop loss hunting territory plus low volume. So just be careful when trading on the weekend. Anyways, have a good rest of the week. Thanks. Bye.